Well, we went from fun in the snow to emergency alerts, power outages, a lot of cars off the side of the road. Today is February 18th, 2026. We're in Twain Harte, California. Neighbor's tree behind us fell, crashed into their house. Crashed into my sheds, missed my house by about a foot. This tree ain't doing so well. A lot of people are out of power. We're out of power. No snow plows, just a big shovel. Fun in the snow country. Seen a lot of posts on Facebook asking for help. Elderly people that can't get out. Seen a few that are out of gas for their generators. No power. Most of us have wood burning or propane stoves so we could stay somewhat warm. But if you're not prepared, you're screwed. Generator over there, ready to go. Looks like we've gotten about 2 feet up on the roof. It's been snowing nonstop for a couple days now. It's supposed to just keep on going. February 18, 2026.